What's up guys, Rev7 here. I picked up some cars yesterday that I thought you guys would find pretty cool. I'm trying to add to my Porsche collection, and I thought these cars were some welcome additions from the 2020 lineup. And not only Hot Wheels, I got a Matchbox car, and I thought these would be pretty cool to show you guys. I'm going to be opening up each one of them to go on my Porsche wall that I'll show at the end of this video. And yeah, I'm just kind of looking forward to opening these up. None of them are really that sought after too much, so I can probably find some boxed versions and pick them up again, but I want to open these versions up so they can go on my Porsche wall and Porsche display. But this is a 1996 Porsche 911 Carrera from the 993 generation. This is one of the most sought after 911s ever. This is one of the, people deem this the best generation of Porsche 911 ever, right before the 996 in 1999. Personally, I think they're pretty sweet. They look like a more modern version of the 80s generation. I forgot the exactly 80s generation, but just more rounded and very pretty car. I've always liked the rear end of these. But yeah, I'm going to be opening this one up. This one's in yellow, 105 in the Porsche series for 2020. I don't know if I like the black wheels. I would have liked it with chrome wheels, but this yellow is very cool. Car rolls very well. I really like this casting. I have one in black too. You got the Carrera decal, some taillight detail as well. You got the black little, I don't know if that's a grill for the engine or what. It's a rear engine car. Sunroof detail, little Porsche logo, headlight detail, the multi-spoke wheels. I forgot exactly what they're called, but plastic base, metal body car. I think this is a very good looking little car. Very sweet. I think I was saying I have this in black with the chrome 5 spokes, and I have it as a police car too. I'm just thinking of some recent variations I have of it. But yeah, overall it's just a 911, but it's still pretty sick. I'm going to add it to my Porsche wall because I don't have a 993 generation 911 on my Porsche wall. Next up is this. This is a Matchbox 1985 Porsche 911 rally car. This thing is crazy. I think the card art's pretty cool. Shows the thing all emergence from like a jungle, and it's pretty sweet. I've seen this a couple times at my local dollar store, and I'm like, I'm just gonna pick it up. It's cool. Slightly different shade of green than the packaging, but still cool nonetheless. Not as much detail, believe it or not, than the Hot Wheels car. Usually Matchbox is better with detail, but you can see they got some grates over the headlights and some additional fog lights so that you can see and not damage your headlights. This is another plastic base metal body car, but this actually is like 3 layers to its base, or 2 layers to its base. You got the black layer here, and then this white fender flare trim that goes around that looks pretty sick. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Number 58 Matchbox. It's an actual rally car, I guess, rally racer, with these pretty cool 6-spoke off-road wheels. Hot Wheels has cars that have these little grates all over the tire, and they're called screamers because when they go down the track they make like a high, like screaming sound, I guess you could say. You got a spare tire on the top as well as a gas tank, and yeah, this is a pretty cool, unique car. There's Porsche 924 rally cars as well. They look pretty sick. I like seeing rally variations of cars that would not otherwise not have that treatment. And last but not least, this is my personal favorite of the bunch that I got, is this Porsche 944 Turbo, 1989 944 Turbo, but in gold. I have the red version of this car, and I turned it into my actual Porsche 924 that I own in real life, and I thought that I was really happy to see that they did a 944 again for 2020, and this is the gold variation. It looks very cool. I'm going to be opening this one up as well, but don't be surprised if I pick up like 3 of these just to have them. Wow, this is cool. Very cool. Wow. It's got the chrome rimmed PR wheels with the black inside of the dish. Looks very cool. Kind of looks like the Fouche wheels that people put on their Porsches from this era. The gold is beautiful, metallic gold. Looks great. I always thought these cars looked great in gold with the right wheels. Same taillight detail and turbo detail as the red car. I love the tinted windows. Wow, this is pretty. Let me get the other one to see if it has tinted windows. The It's over here. No, it does not. This is the donor car I used for my custom, so it's a little beat up, but no, it's got tinted windows. This black one does, and different variation of the wheels. Very cool. Very, very cool. I'm gonna pick up a couple of these carded and keep them for safekeeping. Very, very, very cool. Happy with this car. This is my desk, and on the top of my desk I got a bunch of Matchbox and Hot Wheels Porsches up there, and then on this display case I have some more Porsches going up. The missing one is the 944 I just took out, and on this side of the display I just have a rainbow palette of some of my favorite cars in each color. But yeah, it'd be nice to see how these are held up with two thumbtacks because they didn't have a slot for them. I'm probably going to do that here and here for the next couple Porsches I get, so I can fill in the empty space. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.